Instructional objective. As already stated, a question is said to be valid if it is also based on a predetermined objective. The word objective is a wider term. Objectives are divided into two groups, namely educational objectives and instructional objectives. Educational objectives play a directive role in the process of education, while instructional objectives are those goals for the achievement of which all educational efforts are directed. Mathematics is a special language with its own vocabulary and grammar. The vocabulary consists of concepts, terms, facts, symbols, assumptions, etc., while the grammar relates the principles, processes, functional relationships, etc. Knowledge and understanding of these and their applications to new situations have helped mankind to achieve tremendous progress in various fields. Therefore, the main instructional objectives of mathematics are as follows: knowledge with specifications. The students recall or reproduce terms, facts, etc. Recognize terms, symbols, concepts, etc. Understanding with specifications. The students give illustrations for terms, definitions, etc. Detect conceptual errors and correct in definitions, statements, formula, etc. Compare concepts, quantities, etc. Discriminate between closely related concepts. Translate verbal statements into mathematical statements and vice versa. Verify the results arrived at. Classify data as per criteria. Find relationships among the given data. Interpret the data. Application with specification. The students analyze and find out what is given and what is required to be done. Find out the adequacy, superfluity and relevancy of data. Establish relationship among the data. Reason out deductively. Select appropriate methods for solutions problems. Suggest alternative methods for solving problems. Generalize from particular situations. Skill and specifications. The students carry out calculation easily and quickly, handle geometrical instruments properly, draw figure accurately and to the scale, read tables and graphs properly, interpret graphs correctly. As far as the main goal or objective in NCF is concerned, it is to develop abilities in the student for mathematization. It also states the narrow aims of school mathematics, which concern with decimal and percents, the higher aim, which are for developing the child's resource to think and reason mathematically, to pursue assumption to their logical conclusions, and to handle abstractions. Keeping this in view, at this stage, the stress is only on the higher aims. These higher aims may be considered as the instructional objectives. Objective based questions and objective type questions are often confused with each other. When questions is framed keeping a definite aim or objective in mind, it is called an objective based question. While if a question is framed to measure the student's achievement, which is objective rather than subjective, is called objective type question. It may also be noted that determination of the objective of a question varies from person to person. For example, a question may appear to be of knowledge type to one teacher who may think that the answer of the question is known to the students, but the same question may appear to be of understanding type to another teacher if she thinks that the question is completely unknown to the same group of students. In the light of the views expressed in NCF, the following types of questions are suggested: long answer questions, short answer questions with reasoning, multiple choice questions. It is hoped that these questions, along with the questions in the textbook, would be effectively able to evaluate the classes IX and X students in mathematics.